Would you like to know how to make money daily using only free traffic strategies? Well, stick with me. In this short video, I'll share a beginner simple side hustle anyone can do, even if you've never done anything like this before. It's a unique but easy way to make money, a lot of money. I think it may be the easiest money maker yet, and yes, you can do this without spending a dime on marketing. Hi, I'm Joe Barkley. I've been a full-time online marketer for over 20 years now. I love it. I ski most days in the winter, and I sail most days in the summer, while most people are busy at their jobs, thanks to online marketing. If you learn to do online marketing right, there is no easier way to create both time and money freedom. And before we get too far along, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now, and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, let me know how you got value out of this video. So here's the thing. Making good money online is not just about promoting the right opportunity. You have to do it the right way, with the right system, and you need to have a firm grip on your expenses too. Over the years, I've met way too many people who actually end up spending more money than they make online. Seriously, it happens all the time. And it's amazing how much money marketers waste on things like solo ads, traffic, and leads, most of which are really poor quality anyway. I only use free marketing strategies. I have for years, and it's what's helped me have real success. It's a critical part of making significant money online. Free traffic is what we teach our team to use. It gets terrific results if you do it right, and it's actually easier than you think. You can start using our free traffic strategies today. So if you're tired of struggling to find the right opportunity and spending a small fortune on traffic, trying to make money online, but not having the success you are hoping for, this may be just what you're looking for. I encourage you to take a close look. Here's what I do. I build a simple online business that's really different from the others. It's a business almost anyone can do, as no previous skills or experience are needed, and it's almost entirely automated. Here's what makes it so special. Our company markets products that sell themselves, and at prices less than you can buy them for elsewhere. No more trying to sell overpriced stuff like in so many other online businesses. Ours are high demand, life-changing products that help people improve their life and save money too. This company has a huge compensation plan and the most powerful marketing system in the industry, period. It's really low cost to start. It's the most affordable home business I know of. And unlike so many other businesses, there is no monthly purchase requirement. You can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day, and it pays recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. And like I said, it's so simple. All I do is use one of our free traffic strategies to get people to a one-page website with a short video that does all the work. The video shows people how to grab a free spot with us and get a head start on building their team and building an income while they're checking it out. Man, I've never seen anything like this breakthrough marketing system before. It really is different. This system is the key to everyday people all over the world having massive success. This business is almost too easy. It even does all of the follow-up for me. Again, all I do is use one of our free traffic strategies to get people to the website. The website does the rest. So even if you're brand new to online marketing, or if you have tried it but never been quite successful, this can be the solution you need. It only takes about 5 minutes to get all the information you need. It will probably be an easy decision. You can start making money later today. Take our free online tour at wannalivebetter.com. Again, that's wannalivebetter.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.